What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Desiree. I think today we're just gonna try to jump right into it and get the look started. So make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, hit the little bell to get notifications of my new videos. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. So here I already have my full face of makeup on. If you guys like to see a detailed video, just leave it in the comments below, let me know. But I go in and prime my eyes with this Maybelline Age Rewind and just blend it out with a beauty blender. Here you can see that I finished my first eye. I kind of wanted to get a feel for it, so I will start with my second eye. I don't have the greatest makeup brushes yet, but these do the job. So I just take this packed brush and focus all of the darker eyeshadow in my crease, slightly above it, and then I take a soft blending brush and go in with a lighter pink and just soften up that edge, and I just keep blending until the line is pretty much gone. I do lots of swiping back and forth and then little tiny circles just to get it blended very seamlessly. And then I go in with a black eyeshadow and a smudge brush and just focus that on the outer corner. And then I go in with that same brush I used for my crease, and with the leftover product just blend the edges out. Here I'm taking a flat brush and wiping it against the concealer so we can create kind of like a small cut crease. This is more just to make the sparkle stick to my eyeball. We're not doing a super harsh cut crease, but just kind of sort of a soft one, so you don't have to make the line really prominent. And then we just take the sparkly color and stick it right on top. Here we're going to take a slightly darker sparkly shadow and add it in the center to give the look kind of an ombre, so it goes from the light, medium, and then the black. And then after that we're just going to add a little bit more of the black and blend it up into the purple with these all of the same brushes. Here we're going to go onto the lower lash line and not picking up any more of the shadow, but just using the excess that's left on the brushes and smoking out the bottom lash line a little bit. And then usually you just take a clean brush and wipe away the excess, but I messed up on the other side, so I'm just kind of taking the excess and swiping it down so it hits my cheekbone and we can use that purple shadow as a highlighter. And then we're going to start the wing and add the spider web afterwards. If you guys want me to go into a more detailed video of how to do a wing, then just let me know in the comments below and I can do that. But after that,
after you get the normal wing done, you just kind of sort of add the lines and add the webs and stuff around it. And then we're gonna throw on some mascara before we pop on some lashes. I am applying eyelashes. I'm still trying to get the hang of it, but usually you apply them when the glue is tacky and start from the middle outward. And then after that, I'm just adding the purple highlighter everywhere, and it's okay if you go overboard because it's Halloween. And after that, I apply some setting spray to ensure that it's gonna last all night, and this is the final look. Thanks, I hope you guys enjoyed. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Okay, push it again. Push it again. Push it again. Mommy's been using the wrong light this whole time.
This one good?